1,070,000.
1 million na lang.
Ay, grabe ka naman, ma'am. Parang may soft heart ako ngayon sa mga OFW na galing mga ibang bansa.
Yes, Daniel!
Naramdaman ko eh. What's up, guys? Another watch, another day. We have here sina ma'am all the way from the US. They just arrived 4 a.m. kanina. Sabi ko sa inyo, first stop ng mga galing ibang bansa.
Kakagaling mo lang dun, sir.
Diba? Sydney kasi kayo, di ba? Right?
Sydney.
And you wanted to get the watch for you and para kay ma'am. Tama? You were looking na at a couple of watches here ng mga Datejust. And what caught your
It's our
attention?
first Rolex.
First Rolex yung dalawa.
Yes.
So we have here a Datejust reference. Ito is the 116231 because it's a rose gold on a rhodium silver-ish na dial. With this one naman, same thing. It's also a rhodium silverish dial. Diamonds as well, but this one is a yellow gold. This one, the 31mm, we're selling for only 389,000. For this one, we're selling for 729,000. I can give both for 1,080,000. Almost 20k discount each. What do you think?
I thought you were going to give us
Bigger discount?
Yeah.
Sige, bigyan natin ng tag 5 pa. So, 1,070,000.
1 million na lang.
Ay, grabe ka naman, ma'am. Hindi ko makaganda yung discount.
So what's your last price?
Last price.
120.
Hindi
much?
kaya. I really have to
One
stick
and
with 1,070,000. Sobrang laki na. This is almost double as this one when it comes to price. But I gave each 25k. That's 50,000 discount.
50. 1 Yes, Daniel!
I gave you one price and I have really stretching it. 1,065,000.
Hindi pa siya nakakakita.
Ah, really? You had your laser?
No, not yet. Dilated pa yung eyes ko, so medyo malabo-malabo pa yung mata.
Really? Kaya pala, medyo malabo pa. Pag luminaw niyan, makikita mo gano'ng kaganda yung Rolex, ma'am.
Alam malas yung 5 yung huli, so
Balik natin sa 7.
bawa ko ng 60.
Parang may soft heart ako ngayon sa mga galing mga OFW na mga galing mga ibang bansa. Sige, 1,060,000. I think that's the best. Done. Done. And of course, you get also, we have Sheena Clinic giving 10,000 per watch kasi. And then also 5,000
Very
each sa'yo.
cool.
From mobile cards naman. All Apple products naman sila. And of course, Dundeal Hoodies. May Dundeal coffee. Have you guys heard the coffee today?
So yung coffee nyo, pag Daniel lang.
Hindi naman. Everyone that comes here. Kasi wala naman pupunta rito hindi na Dundeal eh.
Yeah.
Mayabang.
Wait lang, sige lang.
Oh, that's a nice tag, Hoyer.
Lumang-luma na yung regalo niya sa akin.
Ah, now you're giving her.
Yep. Nakaangat sa
watch
buhay
naman.
na gano'n.
But how are the prices in the US right now comparing to Philippines? Mas mahal doon, di ba?
Like
Kasi,
25%. You know what's the selling point? Kasi full set.
Tsaka pangarap niya masama sa vlog.
yun!
Ayaw
Ayaw pa niya kanina. Naramdaman ko eh. Hindi ba vlog? Hindi daw. Ayaw nila.
Low-key lang kami.
Sure kayo, ma'am, ayaw mo yung vlog?
Memories with Fahrenheit.
Game!
Oh, sige na nga.
Oh, sige. What's up, guys? Another watch, another day.
Ayaw humingi ng discount. Eh, sabi niya mas malaki pag may discount pag vlog.
Oh, di ba? Mas malaki naman talaga. Extra 20k yung discount. Ang mahal ng TF nyo.